Hi, my name is Mohammed Sohaib Sheikh. I'm here to present our project on research and recommendation of search engine optimization for marsleathers.com.au. Our client is Mr. Khalid Ahmad, whose business is based in Melbourne, and our supervisor is Utpal Nanawati. In our sprint one, we have worked on like analyzing the problem and preparing, planning all the schedule, collecting the websites and doing research and on articles for to solve the issues and improve the ranking and preparing the as like diagrams for this project. So this our sprint started in like 22nd of March and ended up in 20th of April. So in our team, like I got Junaid, Narinder, Shika, and Nikal, and myself. So Junaid was doing his main role was to collect all the resources from online, and Narinder was performing the collection of website ranking. Shika, she was preparing diagrams as well as she was assisting Narinder with preparing collecting of website ranking. Nikhil, he was working on identifying the issues on the client's website, and myself, I was acting as planning these schedules and forming the teams and preparing like checking all the information and providing all the information to all the other team members from sharing all the information and issues and providing updates to all the team members. This is the time we have spent on each and every uh, provided by form contributed by each and every team member. So user stories are here, where we have done a review of and preparing diagrams and providing getting a survey and recommending a latest technology and providing the client solutions how he can improve his website, and we are those all are completed. The evidence of work on has been provided here, evidence from myself and evidence from technical researcher who is Junaid, and evidence from Nikhil, who found the issues on the website, and evidence from Chika, who actually has drawn and as well as she has contributed in um, website ranking as well, and evidence from Narinda, who actually has performed the um, website ranking. Also, I would like to share like we have provided our our feedback and all the issues we have found and all the solutions we have provided to our client, and also supervisor, and we have got the recommendation like feedback as in like they were satisfied with our work, and the changes which we are looking forward to take in the upcoming is we are planning on to provide the solutions and expecting our client to make the possible changes in his website according to the recommendations, and we want to run the like, website ranking once again, and we want to check out what ranking does it stands at after implementing all the changes, so that we can perform to try to develop it more accordingly. Also, I would like to share what did I accomplish from this project, from this sprint, I would say. uh, I've learned pretty good actually. I've learned to bind with everyone, and I've learned to plan and accomplish the tasks within the period of time. And also, I've learned to interact with each and every team member and share all the details and issues with one another. And I've learned to get my use my Steam's skills and implement it in this particular project. I would also like to share like where are the specific knowledge I acquired from is like acquired from my previous like leadership in IT project manager. I've learned used the planning and processing of this project sprint. I've implemented it from there, and I take 5500, which is like research and communication, where I was being able to help technical researchers in finding the accurate, proper, relevant um, articles to to find and to provide the solution from. And also like have you helped Shika with the finding out the preparing of designs for this particular project using the business process analysis and change. We are also looking forward to change take prepare BPML diagram in next upcoming sprint. My learnings were that every website on online market is has a threat of malware, viruses, and there are many possible changes. And there are many competitors, and you have to be always be ahead of everyone and trying to make every time trying to make some changes and maintaining your website, and running through the market requirement on every single time is really good thing you can do to keep your website on top trending pages. And also like there are many advertising options like paying Google to advertise your website, and using social media to use your website, and linking your website is also required in this particular field, so that everyone is connected to your website straight away from Facebook or Instagram or social media. Also, I would like to share like Oh, what would have gone better would be if we would have a software developer in our team. It would be really great, because as a software developer would have identified all the issues and proposed all the possible solutions, and maybe implementing making possible changes on on his coding would be really helpful for us, as that could have been recommended to our client and would have been made changes, and we would have had some data which we could identify. So this is something which we were lacking behind, I would see. That's all from myself. And this all as well as our as is model which we have prepared, as well as Fishbone, where we have collected all the issues and showed up like this is what is affecting the deficit of website on the top trends. Thank you so much.